welcome back to the channel. Aussie Commie here. This is the channel, mate. So basically today I'm just going to be going over my VE Omega Commodore and basically everything that's done to it to make it like that's not stock basically done to it. So we'll start off at the front, I guess, and that's obviously the grill. It's a VE Berliner grill instead of the Omega. The Omega is just basically instead of the chrome or the silver is black across each side. So we changed that to Berliner. I reckon it looks a lot better with the Impulse blue. Then we've got SSV rims, 5 studs, all of them. Soon, but at the moment you can see it's still half decent gap in here because it's still stock suspension, but we're getting super lows for it, so we're going down soon. The interior is probably the biggest. From here I'll pop the bonnet first, and we'll just go to the bonnet. So underneath here, just a little experiment was to paint the plastics. So originally it was all black, all this was black all along here, but I left this bit to take these, and just changed this to the Impulse blue, same colour as the car. And yeah, I reckon it makes the engine look a bit slicker, changes it up a bit, and yeah, I like the way it looks. Looks a lot better to what it did. Yeah. As far as interior goes, I'll turn this down. But as you can see, this is not stock. So as you can see here, this is not stock at all. We've got all Pioneer stuff, so I'll just jump in the car so I can explain it. Basically, you have to buy this like casing, which cost me around 320, I think it was. And then obviously whatever touchscreen you want, I went with Pioneer. And then we installed it all, makes it a lot better, so climate control, all that sort of stuff. Now it has that. Then this is all stock, but I've painted it. So I just basically took it out, painted it Impulse blue to match the car. So there's another little spot, a whole bunch of them basically. So painted this bit, painted the back bit, missed this bit, but I'll do that eventually. Seat covers don't really matter, but yeah, so that's pretty big. Then if we go to the back seats now. Back here, we've just got speakers in the back too, because I don't know if you know, but VEs don't come with them. They're not 619s, but they will be 619 soon. Hello. Another VE. And then if we come in here, this come to the back of the car. The tail lights have been sprayed with one coat of like nightshade, darkener, stickers, obviously. YouTube channel, what you're watching right now. It's straight piped, but just the tip straight pipe. Debadged, makes it look a lot better. Then we have a Pioneer 1300 watt sub in the back. And yeah, so far not too much has been done, but more will be done soon. Yeah, that's basically the car. Yeah, I reckon it looks min-as. Big street Commodore sticker. And yeah, I reckon it looks mint for now. And yeah, I guess I can show you some of the power now. Not too much because you know I'm obviously in my driveway, but I'll show you a little bit. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more. There's going to be a lot more coming. And yeah, the next thing to be done will be the suspension. So yeah, thanks for watching.